In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Meta Business Suite. If you're finished managing your business account and want to sign out safely, this process is very quick and straightforward. Logging out is especially important if you're using a shared computer, a public device, or simply want to make sure no one else can access your Meta Business Suite account after you're done. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can log out without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already inside Meta Business Suite and looking at the main interface. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where your profile icon appears. In most cases, this profile area gives you access to account-related options, including the logout function. Go ahead and click on your profile in the upper right corner. When you select it, a menu should open with several account options. If you don't immediately see the menu, just make sure you click directly on the profile area and wait a moment for the drop-down to appear. This menu is where Meta Business Suite keeps settings and actions related to your account session. From that menu, click on Log Out. As soon as you do, Meta Business Suite will sign you out of your current session. Depending on your browser and account settings, you may be taken back to a login screen or redirected to a general Meta page. Either result is normal and simply means the logout was successful. That's all it takes to log out of Meta Business Suite. It's a very short process, but it's a good habit to do it every time you finish working, especially if your account has access to business assets, pages, ad accounts, or sensitive company information. Signing out helps protect your workspace and reduces the chance of unauthorized access. If you're ever unable to find the logout option, first reopen the profile menu and check carefully through the list of account actions. On smaller screens or zoomed in browser views, some interface elements may look slightly different, but the profile icon in the top right area is still the key place to start. And that's it. You now know how to log out of Meta Business Suite quickly and securely.